Hi, welcome back, guys. No doubt, no pout. Let's figure it out. This is Engineer Muhammad Abdullah. Today, we are going to talk about the powerful technology of this decade, of this century, that is Google Bard. How to use it, what it can do for us. Let's have a joy with it. First, you have to go to Google, type Google Bard here. The very first website that is coming to you, click on it. Here is the Bard's website. You then click on the Google Bard. More. We are getting with it. Okay. The first question raised here: who have developed Google Bard? Google. The Google company has developed Google Bard. It is a large language model. It is developed by the large data set and with the large code. It generate new textual information only. Here a question raises: do market have only textual information tools? No, market do have video generating, image generating, and sound generating tool as well. We will talk about it later in other tutorials. Today we are going to talk about Google Bard. Here is the Google Bard. It is generative AI, generative artificial intelligence model. It generates. We can use it for code generation. We can use it for college assignments. We can use it for our for writing poems. We can use it for writing songs. We can use it for writing poetic lines. Even we can prepare ourselves for interview as well from Google Bard. Let's see how to do it. First, we are going to try five things. We are going to try five things. Let's try first. Write a code. We are prompting it. The command we do, the message we do here is known as prompt. We are prompting the part that write a Python code that swaps. It has written the Python code, but the information it generates are not always proper, are not always correct. We are also given note that BART display inaccurate or offensive information. It does not represent Google viewers. Here is the code it has generated, but the fresher do not know that any fresher do not know that whether it is right or wrong. So be careful while using it. We have done with Python. Let's try Java. Let's try C++. It is generating the code. Okay, here is the code. It has generated well. Okay, we have generated the code. Let's write resume with Google Bard. Okay, we are giving prompt to it that it is generating the code. It is generating the textual information for me. Let's see. Choose the resume format. Write a resume. It has given the all information that how to resume it, how to make resume for yourself. If you are a software engineer, if your position is software engineer, so how to write resume. Okay, it has given the all format to us. Now try any other thing. Okay, it can translate one language into another language as well. Let's try. I want to change universe. Change it in Chinese. It's generating. We have given the prompt to it. It's our third attempt. Okay, it has given the answer to us Chinese translation. This here is the translation. It has translated as well with the explanation. As it has translated with the explanation as well. Now I am going to prepare myself for interview. Okay, we can use hard questions as well. We can use here any type of information you want to. As you give the prompt, that type of information it will generate for you. The more powerful your prompt will be, the more powerful information it will generate for you. Here are the five easy questions that ask for the software engineer interview. It has listed five easy questions. Now ask it for the five difficult questions. Okay, let's see. It will generate the difficult questions as well. It has generated difficult question as well. Here we have seen that Bart can generate every type of textual information that we want. Okay, let's write a poem for kids. I'm giving a command that write a poem with the poetic lines for kids of nursery, for kids of kindergarten. The information it produces may be offensive, may be inaccurate. You must be very much careful while using these type of AI tools. We will discuss more AI tools in our upcoming tutorial. Stay connected with us. It has written the poem. If you want to make images, if you want to make AI generated videos, if you want to make AI generated sound, what do you want? Ask me in the comment. I will help you out. Okay, it has generated the poem for kindergarten. See, the kindergarten is a place for fun where you can learn and play and run. You can make new friends and learn new things. You can sing and dance, play with the strings. Here is a powerful poem it has generated. Okay, we have seen that a bard can generate many textual type of information. You try using bard, and if you get stuck, if you want me to help you out, I will help you out. Stay connected with me. Thank you.